In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete a Wix website. If you want to remove a site from your Wix account, the process happens in two parts. First, you move the site to the trash. Then you permanently delete it from the trash folder. This is important because moving it to the trash alone does not fully erase the website. Start by going to your My Sites dashboard in Wix and locating the website you want to delete. On the site thumbnail, click the three-dot Site Actions icon. This opens a menu with several options for managing that site. From that list, choose Move to Trash. After that, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. Click the blue Move to Trash button to confirm. At this point, the website is no longer in your main site list, but it is still recoverable because it has only been moved to the trash folder. Next, look at the top of the My Sites dashboard and click the Trash tab. This will open the trash directory where recently removed sites are stored. Inside that section, find the site you just moved. Take a moment to make sure it is the correct one, especially if you manage multiple websites, because the next part is permanent. Once you have found the site in the trash, click the three-dot options icon next to the site thumbnail. This opens another menu with more actions. From that menu, select Remove Site. Wix will then show a final confirmation pop-up to make sure you really want to continue. To permanently erase the site, click Delete in that final confirmation window. This completes the process and removes the website along with its site history and stored data from the server. Because this action is permanent, it is a good idea to be completely certain before clicking Delete. If you only wanted to get the site out of your main dashboard temporarily, stopping at the trash stage would keep it recoverable. But if your goal is full removal, you need to complete both parts of the process all the way through the final delete prompt. So to quickly recap, open the Site Actions menu, move the site to the trash, open the Trash tab, find the site again, open its Options menu, choose Remove Site, and then click Delete to permanently remove it. That covers everything you need to know.